don't think it's gonna work again.
It's snapped. I can see it. The metal broke and I can see inside of it. I can see inside the rod. I can see a ton of flies. I'm really dying today. Wow. You said his clouds are moving. It looks like a tiny little person. Oh, it's just, the rain is like a mile away.
Look at over there.
Look at behind us. It's a lot. Wait, these clouds went so fast. This is a worse storm than last time we were on this trail. It got so windy before. Wow. I know. He's really solid though, so yeah, I think it's gonna be okay. Close your eyes, there's the trees. These trees are the reason there's not traces in anymore. Ow! What got in my eye? It touched the ground. I saw it. It was just like this. Yeah. And I literally saw it come down. It's pouring over there. That was close. Listen. Yeah, that was what I saw. Oh my goodness. I saw it. Yeah. I saw it. Really loud. That was a loud thunder.
It's beginning to downpour.
Oh yeah. That was scary. I literally saw the lightning strike come down. Oh wow. That got really hard, really fast. Yeah. I can't do it. This is raining harder than before. Oh, we got here just in time for the rain. Oh, it's getting harder. It's actually getting harder. It's flowing in. Oh. It looks like hail. Yeah. Hail.
Video. Come on, you guys, you can make it to your vehicle.
Probably could.
If you hide your camera, right?
Yeah, we lost the umbrella.
Oh, really?
Doesn't quite function right anymore.
Oh.
It seems like it's getting harder every single time.
Now he's gonna be pissed off at because I didn't go ride with him. Yeah.
It won't even close properly.
It won't?
It won't.
It's junk.
It's all puffy now. Yeah. See this?
It's history.
The wind. Oh my goodness. That's thunder. Wow.
This one day he's just walking nice and slow. It's all soaking wet.
Parking lot. It looks like it's flooding. The places where it's downhill, it's flooding.
Well, what do you think? Should we go for it and run back to the car?
That'd be an adventure.
Yeah, it would be a wet adventure.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind.
Does nothing.
Yeah, we don't have an umbrella.
I'd want to do it. Wait, no, the umbrella's
But we
still-
wouldn't have a camera anymore.
The umbrella still works. Is that what you saw? Yeah. You think that's what you saw? There was a long delay. I don't know if it goes like.
I'm pretty sure you don't, right? I know I don't.
As long as I don't get deafened for any amount of time.
Ooh.
Another one. I recognize him.
Yeah, he was from high school. I knew him. Actually, more than actually all the years of school.
Why did I recognize him?
I don't know. He's a Facebook friend. But I'm like, is that you, Chuck? Yep, Chuck Gustus. He was actually in my your Uncle Noel's grade, but I knew him really well from school too. So that was cool to run into him and talk to him. No wind. No wind. I think the broken umbrella is gonna work as long as there's no wind.
I fixed it. It's waterproof, so.
That's a good thing.
Yeah. This is broken umbrella, really bad. No, it's
Is it? Get under here. There's room. There's room on this.
Right in front of your face.
How cool is this?
Great.
Of course.
Remember when it was dark over there? Now it's gone. Where'd it go? The next people are getting it. Yeah, this bulb went very fast. No, it's not. You aren't like a bike would be super though. Oh man, that was a really cold one. Oh no,
Oh.
not again! Not again! It's pretty much like putting a blanket on your head. It's not even.
Sorry, you guys are. Oh, I hear thunder. Sorry, you guys are getting a little wet.
That's right.
I gotta make sure this camera stays dry though.
I'm having fun. As long as you get the heat on the car. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be loud. I saw it over there. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be scary. I saw it in front of my eye. Holy cow. Oh no, it's just a problem. Okay, well if that's it, then that's fine. But I saw it like straight down. Where is it, Trestle? Oh, done. Maybe. Oh, there's a wave. There's still, but it's okay, Daddy.
Oh, they did it again.
I'll be so. The wind is going nearly at like a 75-degree angle. Oh, I'm so soaking. So then, 8,662. I think you're gonna get to 9,000. Wait, before we get
That's
there.
how many steps you made?
Yeah, today, just today. My goal is 10,000 for today. I think I'm gonna make it. I think you're gonna get 9,000 by Sunday. No way. It'll probably be more. See, I'm already at 8,700 before. I'm probably gonna be at like 10.
Are you guys glad we went on this rain walk again?
You're still doing it. Really crazy. This is a long one. A lot of rain.
It was fun. I'm really glad we did it.
Yeah, we waited for a long time. This storm is big.